Gadget chaos got you down. Cables swirling, chargers missing, headphones tangled. Fear not, tech travelers. This video unveils the best tech organizer bags of 2024, wrangling your gear and saving your sanity. From sleek minimalism to rugged adventure, we've got the perfect pouch for you. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. Tripped Tech Traveler. The Tripped Tech Traveler is a medium-sized bag crafted for travel and work. Constructed with robust 900D polyester, weatherproof YKK zippers, and soft protective padding. Designed for functionality, it includes multiple compartments with thoughtful organization. The bag's interior houses 2 secure zipped pockets, one meshed for visibility, ideal for valuable items like SD cards or a mini SSD. An external side pocket offers quick access to essentials like a phone. The center section comprises 9 divided tight pockets for organizing cables and small devices, while open side areas accommodate bulkier items such as a laptop or charger. With a stylish design, leather handles, and zipper pulls, the Tripped Tech Traveler is available in various colors, making it a versatile and premium tech bag suitable for both professional and travel settings. Number 2. Troubadour Caboodle Tech Case 2.0. Deeper than the Tripped Tech Traveler, the Troubadour Caboodle Tech Case 2.0 exudes luxury with a spacious and padded open interior, suitable for carrying more items in a less structured manner. While it lacks internal zipped pockets, it compensates with a generously sized external pocket for convenient access. Crafted from 95% recycled polyester and featuring vegan leather accents, the case boasts a waterproof lining and a collapsible non-crease fabric that retains its shape after compression. With a sophisticated design, it serves as a stylish accessory that you'd proudly showcase rather than conceal in your suitcase. Number 3. Bellroy Tech Kit. The Bellroy Tech Kit stands out for its convenient ability to open flat, facilitating quick access and organization of essential tech gadgets. While it offers less compartmentalization compared to some competitors like the Tripped Tech Traveler, the streamlined design ensures swift access to your belongings. The case, although not rigid, possesses a more robust feel, resembling a semi-hard shell. Bellroy provides additional options like the Tech Kit Compact, 17x13x 5.5 centimeters, for those with fewer tech accessories, and the Tech Caddy, 24x15 by 8 centimeters, a smaller yet more open organizer with a zipped interior compartment. With a diverse range of attractive colors, Bellroy caters to various preferences. Number 4. Harber Tech Dopp Kit. Elevate your organizational game with this handcrafted luxury tech organizer case that seamlessly blends durability with opulence. Crafted from premium full-grain leather, the soft shell exudes toughness while exuding an air of sophistication. Boasting 6 thoughtfully designed slots for cables or pens, styluses, and 2 generously sized pockets, it provides ample space to stow your essential tech accessories. Additionally, the case accommodates A6 notepads, offering a holistic solution for your on-the-go needs. What sets this organizer apart is the inclusion of a matching keychain, cleverly integrated with a magnetic and slide connection. This practical addition ensures your essentials stay securely in place while providing a touch of convenience and style. Number 5. Woolnut Leather Tech Organizer. Indulge in luxury and practicality with the Woolnut Tech Organizer, marrying a sleek, hard-shelled design with sumptuous full-grain, pebbled leather sourced from animal-friendly Scandinavian farms. This smart organizer unfolds effortlessly for quick access and features 2 stretch mesh pockets, 1 zippered compartment, and elastic straps to maintain gadget order. The premium touch extends to its YKK Excella Japanese zipper, exemplifying exclusivity. Ideal for safeguarding cables, chargers, and earbuds, this case seamlessly balances aesthetics and functionality. Woolnut's commitment to luxury extends to its broader range, offering matching leather solutions like laptop sleeves, iPhone cases, and passport sleeves for a cohesive and sophisticated ensemble. Stuck choosing the ideal tech organizer? Relax. It depends on your travel style and tech needs. Adventurers, Rock the Tripped Tech Traveler for durability. Minimalists love the Bellroy Tech Kit for its sleekness. Photographers adore the Troubadour Caboodle Tech Case 2.0 for dedicated compartments. But for sheer versatility, the walnut leather tech organizer reigns supreme. Remember, the best bag is the one that keeps your tech happy and organized. Happy travels.